This is Flip TV News. Nigeria's House of Representatives has stepped into the growing diplomatic situation involving a detained Nigerian military aircraft and its crews in Burkina Faso. On Tuesday, lawmakers resolved to meet with senior officials from the Ministry of Defense and Foreign Affairs following the continued detention of a Nigerian Air Force C-130 aircraft and its personnel. The decision came after the adoption of a motion of urgent public importance moved by Ekiti lawmaker Rufus Oduawo, who raised concerns over the implications for national security and diplomatic relations. According to the House, the aircraft was on a duty-authorized ferry flight to Portugal for scheduled depot maintenance, a routine and mandatory requirement in the life cycle of military transport aircraft. Oduawo explained that the aircraft made a precautionary landing in Burkina Faso on December 8, 2025, purely on safety grounds and in line with international aviation protocols. He stressed that the flight was not an operational mission and was neither involved in intelligence gathering nor surveillance activities. The precautionary landing was made purely on safety considerations and in line with established aviation protocols. Oduawo told lawmakers, adding that the flight was properly documented and complied with international aviation standards. Despite these assurances, the House expressed displeasure over what it describes as the continued detention of Nigerian aircraft and security personnel on board. Lawmakers urged the federal government to activate ECOWAS and African Union diplomatic frameworks to foster cooperation, mutual understanding, and the speedy release of both the aircraft and the detained personnel. They also called on Office of the National Security Advisor to coordinate interagency communication, ensuring that national security concerns are handled without unnecessary escalation. In addition, the House urged the federal government to provide measured and factual public briefings where appropriate to counter misinformation while protecting sensitive diplomatic and security processes. Following the adoption of the motion, the House mandated its Committee on Foreign Affairs, Defense, the Nigerian Air Force, the Nigerian Security to interface with the Ministry of Defense and relevant intelligence agencies. The committees are expected to resolve all issues surrounding the aircraft and its crew and report back to the House within 2 weeks. As diplomatic efforts intensify, lawmakers say Nigeria must balance national security, international cooperation, and transparency in resolving the situation. You are watching Flip TV News. For more updates on national security, defense matters, and parliamentary decisions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.